IFPC Disability Insurance Norway app. The pros, the cons. The IFPC Disability Insurance Norway app is designed to make managing your disability coverage easier than ever. Most people assume it's just for viewing policy information, but the surprising truth is that it allows you to submit claims, track your premiums, and access detailed policy information right from your phone. One of the biggest advantages is claims management. You can upload all necessary forms and documents, follow the progress of your claim in real time, and receive notifications at every step. Premium tracking is clear and simple, with reminders for upcoming payments and access to your full payment history. Policy details, including coverage limits and benefit amounts, are always accessible, giving you complete control over your insurance. The app is also very convenient. Updating personal information or requesting minor policy changes can be done directly in the app without needing to call customer service. This is especially useful for busy professionals or anyone who prefers digital convenience. On the downside, the app requires a stable internet connection for most features, and some users report slower performance when uploading large files or reviewing older claims. It also lacks advanced planning tools like income replacement calculators or long-term benefit projections, which can limit more detailed financial planning. In conclusion, the IFPC Disability Insurance Norway app is a practical and user-friendly tool for managing your disability coverage. Its strengths are streamlined claims handling, clear premium tracking, and accessible policy information. While it doesn't include advanced planning features, it provides all the essential tools to manage your disability insurance efficiently and confidently.